Yeah, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to guide you through how to convert Excel sheet into Google Sheet. So if you are using an Excel and you want to share your project or you want to share your work with a friend who uses Google Sheets, I'm going to guide you through the process. So first of all, I have an Excel document here. Let me make it big. Yeah, I have an Excel document here, and before we start, you have to save your documents. Or you go to File, Save As, go to Browse, then you choose where you want it to be saved. So personally, I'll choose Document, and I'll just rename it. Maybe for the sake of the video, make like 300. Yeah, save. So now, if you want to convert it to a Word share, a Google Sheet, you have to go to your Google account. You have to go to your Google account and choose the email you want to use. So maybe if you want to share with somebody, you have to get the person's email, you add the person's account, then you share it with the person. So mine is this account. You go to Google, scroll down, look for Sheets. Yes. So now on this page, you look for this folder icon here. You click on the folder icon, go to Uploads, click on Browse, and go to Documents. Remember, I renamed it 300. Remember, I renamed it 300. So choose your file, wait for it to upload. And yeah, so you have your full Excel document in Google Sheets. So you can edit it anyhow you see fit. It works similarly to, in fact, it does almost everything Excel does. So I think it's very convenient if you want to share it with somebody who uses Google Sheets. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and if you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Peace. Bye.